grab your attention because
let me tell you about a man who knows all of my flaws but still loves me. Let me introduce you to this man who will never bring your past up again.
if you're not too busy,
Do you have a minute to listen about the one who can replace all that's missing?
I can't really put it in the words, but that's just,
There is just something about
I don't know everything, but I know this.
I know that I cannot live without him.
We want to tell you about him. He's our healer,
My healer, my savior,
my way maker,
my way maker, my provider,
strong tower,
my strong tower.
but most importantly,
And he gave his life for me. His name is Jesus.
so sweet.
Sweet Jesus.
I've met a lot of great people, but I realize
There's nobody like Jesus.
nobody like Jesus, because when I'm sick, he's my healer,
My healer,
drowning in my sins.
my savior, my way maker, my joy,
I didn't have a job,
provider,
but he provided for me.
strong tower.
But most importantly,
His life for me.
there's only one name.
Name is Jesus.
Alright guys, welcome to this quick lesson on Nobody Like Jesus. James Fortune again, featuring Lisa Knowles Smith. Okay, so this is a quick example of, gospel applying the blues. So first, if you want to do a lot of the licks in this song, you do good to learn your blues scale, your B flat blues scale. Then you could just improvise how you feel. So your B flat blues scale is going to be your 1 minor third, 4 sharp 4, 5, 7 and 1. Same in any key. In G, we have a course at Cooper's Keys where we dive into the blues and really explain a lot of this concepts, break them down, and gospel courses as well too. Everything available for you. So yeah, so the song's in the key of B flat. So the song begins with. So it's backtracking, standard in gospel to backtrack. So we stay on the same chord, but we add some movement to keep it interesting. So we're going 1, 1, 7, and that's again a blues riff. You might have heard that before, so it's backtracking off that. And then there's a blues run there. The blues run is literally stolen from the blues scale, going down, straight blues scale going down. I cut it short to get the whole thing. And then again, so when it goes down. That's a grace note to the second. Okay, this is not part of the blues scale, but it's part of the minor blues scale of the key, because the relative minor of B flat is going to be G minor, right? And the blues scale of G minor is of B flat of G minor is this, right? The 1 minor third, 4 sharp 4, 5 7 1. So that's taken straight from the G minor blues scale. So you find that you could mix the major blues scale. So it's gonna be, it's a minor blues scale, but the blues scale of the key you're in, as well as the relative minor blues scale that you're in, can always work. So if I'm in C, I can mix the A minor blues scale, right? Okay, so moving on, and then it starts on the chord. It starts on this chord, walks down, right? This is an F7, the standard way of starting on the 5, because the 5 always takes you home, right? So the bass notes on the 7. Starts on B flat, walks up, and then this is standard walk up 1, 2, minor, 3, or 3, however you want to play it. It goes to the 4, and then it just waits. So normally you'd go 5 and then go back to the 1 again, but it just holds the 4 and then. So what scale is this taken from then? That's just a blue, it's a blue scale again, and for the relative minor, which is G minor. See, just taking blue scales out here. Goes back into reverse. Okay, I guess when it gets there, again, G minor blue scale. This time they actually hit the 5. And then we're going to Here's My Waymaker. It's a B flat of an F. Then an F of an E flat. Sorry, it's gonna be an F7 or F minor 7 to a B flat 7. Okay, so My Joy, it's gonna be E flat. Same thing again. He gave his life for me. E flat, B flat. He gave his life for me. To an F, so to the 5, right? F7. His name is Jesus. 7. F. Then you have a diminished chord on G. F. Then I keep sorry. So this chord, make sure you're playing an F, not a not the sharp 5. That's what throw me off. I mean, you can play it this way. You can play it this way as well if you want. I do like the feel of having to take 2 notes with my thumb. Okay, so that's it for part 1. If you guys want me to do part 2, because I just really wanted to get you guys started with a song, so if you're interested in part 2, then let me know, and we'll definitely consider it and maybe put it up here on YouTube again. So this is a quick introduction to, learning to some gospel songs really utilize blues scale. So that's something you might want to get into. I feel like if you want to be a gospel musician, then you have to really have the blues down, a bit of jazz down, because it's all in there, Alright, see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, subscribe, and all that good stuff.